aware about you. Now, what's new? What's new thing we are going to learn today? So now, uh, see, personal grooming is essential to enhance your overall image. We all know that. It helps us to feel confident, look sharp, and establish a lasting impression. So today we are going to learn how to create a polished look. Okay, so this is an informative list of various types of personal grooming and routines along with the personal grooming tips and benefits. Okay, see now how to create a polished look. So the session would be about looking more polished. So the grooming which is from inside and out can create a polished look. Okay, so there is an old saying, practice what you preach. Whatever we know, we should practice it again and again, again and again. Okay, so now the essential tips for a polished look. We all know that body, hair, teeth, nails, makeup, fragrance. We all know. I know you all are aware about certain things. Okay, but what is new in that? Now let's talk about which is more important, a body and a skin. Now let's understand this. Grooming, whatever you will do for your grooming part, it will enhance your outer layer. Whatever you already having existing, आपका जो भी skin का layer है, जैसा भी है उसको और enhance करेगा. It will add on to it. Okay. But what about the things we want to change that layer? We want to make it more better. So for that, you need to understand, you need to work from inside. The way we said that image is from inside out, character is from inside out. Similarly, with the grooming things, the skin is from inside out. Okay. Now, to take care of your body, it is the only place you have to live. See, we are carrying ourselves everywhere. We don't keep our body at home. Okay, but we will do it later on. It is not like that. Okay, so we need to take care of ourselves because we are always in our body and that is a place we live. And some people think that you have the other aspects of life, you're sorted. No, it's not like that, because this is the place where you live. It is actually the whole time visible and it will create an impression. Understand this. Okay, now everyone please be alert what I'm going to share today. It's not about only a food, it is more than it. So now what things you need to consider in food? Understand, see, it is for the kids also, so you can share with your kids and you can help them out also. So understand there are three types of foods. There are three segments of foods that is important for our body. First is energy giving. Okay, what is energy giving foods? Come on, anyone write? From which food we get energy? Come on. It's a very simple. Fruits, no. We get energy from carbs. No, carbs.
Carbohydrate?
Pardon?
Carbohydrate?
Yes, carbohydrates. See, why we told that we need to do a good breakfast in the morning? Because you need to get energy from getting from your bed. You need to take a shower, to get ready, to do other chores of the house, or make a planning, make a listing, what should be done in the whole day. So carbs, that gives energy. Understand. See, don't eat food randomly. Understand the concept. Your body needs energy giving food, that is carbohydrate. Okay, so many people take parathas in the breakfast. So the oats, the ragi, the wheat, the bajra, the jawar, these all are energy giving food. We take in the lunch, we take in the dinner. But why? You need to understand there should be something in the breakfast, because that will boost yourself, that will give energy. It's not about doing only heavy breakfast, it's about doing the right breakfast. You're starting the day, you need to take carbs in the morning. So now understand, make your child understand this. If, you might be getting, when you don't eat something in the morning and you go to the work, you feel lethargic, you feel lazy, you feel little slow, isn't it? Isn't it? Come on, reply. Isn't it? Hmm? Yes. Okay, so same with the kids. Explain the kids. You should have in the morning something, and that is in the form of carb. Even in bananas, we have a little carbs. Why we said that banana is boosting it? Because see, you need to understand. So the group A is energy giving food. Okay, now going ahead with what type of energy? See, we have given the posture of alkaline and acidic. So, okay, I will shift this topic later on. Let's complete this first. Group A, energy giving food. Second, growth. Just wait. Okay, leave it. Again, wait. Energy giving food. Now, more of healthy food. Why? Because can we put kerosene in a car and we can move a car? Yes or no?
Can't, ma'am.
No,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So we need to put a petrol or a diesel, isn't it? So the same related to the good food and the junk food. So your body is a mechanism. Understand, your body is a machine. It needs something, it need to start. Any machines which runs, it needs their fuel. So body is a machine. You need to understand, you need to put right things inside it. Okay. So first thing, energy giving food. So eat good carbs. Okay. Second is growth. What is growth? We all know protein. Why protein is helpful? Come on. Anyone can say anything about it? How protein helps us?
Protein produces amino acids.
Okay.
That amino acids
It builds muscles.
builds
Yes.
the immune cells.
Yes. Very good. So understand why we tell that children needs certain percentage of protein, because they need to grow. They need to grow. So for their growth sector, we should give protein. So there are so many things in the way of protein, paneer, dal, and so many things you might be aware of, and you have ample of list. Okay. So, and for the adults, why protein is necessary? Can anyone tell me? For the children, it's for growth. They need to grow. They need to have a good height. They need to have a good body structure. But why for adult? Can anyone tell me? Why we eat protein?
For weight loss, ma'am.
Why weight loss? Any logic?
It breaks our metabolism, something like that.
Yeah, because if we have a good amount of protein, appropriate amount of protein, it will repair our muscles. And when your muscles are stronger, it will help to weight loss also. Everything will be fall in the right place. Okay, understand? Got the point? Okay, for children, it's a growth sector, and for the adults, you need to repair your muscles. You need to create enzymes. Okay, now the third sector is immunity booster. We all know in COVID, those who have a good immune power have survived well, isn't it? Come on, reply in the chat box. Yes or no? I want you to be active, because this is the thing we need to learn. Action is more important. Y or N? Yes. Okay. So how can we create immunity booster? अब तब ऐसा लग रहा था that so many people are looking so fit and fine, and they just fall like anything, and they're not able to survive also. And some people we think, oh my God, how will they survive when they survived? Because you don't know immunity booster they might be having more than us. So don't think, again, I said you yesterday, the day before yesterday, take clothing as a resources. Now take food as a resources. Think wisely, be more professional, be more practical. Don't just eat randomly. What you like, you should have in your plate. But what your body likes, it is much more important. What will make you more survive? Okay, so immunity booster. So how will you get the immune? What type of foods you should eat? Come on. Anyone in the chat box? How do we can get our immune improved? Fruits, yes, very good, excellent. Okay, so the leafy vegetables, the fruits, why everywhere they eat this, it feels boring. Make it interesting. Make it interesting. But see, now understand the whole concept of eating this type of foods. So now you might be heard, anyone has heard what alkaline food or alkaline water, acidic food? Anyone has heard these words, the terminology? No? Okay. You might be heard somewhere that Virat Kohli is drinking alkaline water because it's a blue zone. It increase your age. It's less of, less of unneeded toxins. So same with the alkaline food. You need to search. Today, just Google it out. What is alkaline food? See, understand. The food, whatever you eat, it should, in the whole day, it should digest. The gut health should be proper. हमको उसको स्टोर करके नहीं रखना है. प्रॉब्लम तो वही है जब आपने कुछ खाया, whatever you had in the morning, and it's stored in your body. That is the whole problem. Cucumber, yes, very good. Kanchan, yes, very true. See, now understand. You need to understand this. First, you need to understand, then only you will help to your families. Okay, whatever you're eating, so eat heavy in the morning. Whatever brownies and something interesting you want to eat in the morning. So the whole day it will take to digest. Whatever you eat from the morning, at the end of the thing, it should get slow down and it should get digest. So tomorrow morning you have start with a new thing. So the stored food creates all the unnecessary problems, whether it's a disease, whether it's the skin problems, all the things. So your gut health should be proper. So my whole perspective that understand why alkaline food is important, because it is easy to digest and you're getting the same nutrients. Okay, whatever the another heavy foods you like, you eat it. Then create a good metabolism and make sure you digest. अगर कल सुबह तक भी डाइजेस्ट नहीं हो रहा है तो मत खाओ दूसरे दिन सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट. Make sure you digest that food. Make sure, because it will reflect on your skin. And see, by eating good foods, your clean foods, it will give you a clean skin. Clean skin. First, what is important, make a clean skin, then apply all the ingredients on the upper, the creams and sunscreens and the retinoids and everything. Why you're having lots of acne, you have a skin problems, you go in a summer, the UV rays, the pigmentation, so many problems are there, and on that upper layer you're putting the things, you're just covering it out. It will not glow. Actual glow comes from inside. Eat, digest. Eat, digest. So what is the another option you can go for it? Eat small proportion. Suppose you don't have that much habit of eating such a raw things on very frequent, you don't have time. You can see, you take 2 bowls of foods with you when you go to the office. Take 1 bowl of vegetables. See, that is alkaline. Understand this. And suppose you want to eat something which is very heavy. Okay, so good vegetables with lots of butter, cheese and pizzas, and eat. But make it little small proportion. Try to do that, because let it digest. Make it a proportion little smaller and avoid the other things on that day. Okay, do it your own calculation. Understand your own body. See, this is the main grooming session. Rest I will teach you on in just 10 minutes. But this is the new century grooming session. This is the, the 2024 grooming. Whatever you eat inside, it will reflect outside. Okay, you find it boring, make it interesting. Now there are so many good options are there. And what happened, make a habit of 3 months of doing and putting effort. Later on, you only will not like it. आपको ही पसंद नहीं आएगा. आपको ही habit हो जाएगी कि नहीं, this is the way we should eat. And if you want to grow well, if you want to live well, if you want to have a, anti-aging things, how much cream, how much costly cream you will apply, but the inner beauty, the inner beauty which will reflect, that will, no comparison with any other beauty products. Okay, and that is all in your hand. You can do in a very, low price. Eat seasonal fruits, eat the normal fruits, eat normal vegetables, eat whatever you like it. But make a sense of eating one bowl of salad, one bowl of sprouts, dahi. Make it eat very simple food.